One of the things that we really want to do over the next 12 months is get our teeth into the work that we're doing in communities around Wales to work with individuals on how they use their own strengths, how they link with the communities around them to improve their mental health and their well-being over the long term. And we're doing that in lots of different ways, like social prescribing, like working with people who have become isolated and lonely, and really supporting them in terms of understanding what will help them emotionally and psychologically, but also making those joyful, long-term connections into communities that they're going to have for life. I really do think that some of the biggest improvements to mental health services lie within the sphere, if you like, of primary care, and really thinking about what do we mean by primary care. It's not just going to the doctors and talking for 10 minutes about your mental health, but those connections that you can make through primary care. That's where 90% of us go when we need help with our mental health problems, and really building a community and a support structure around that, I think, could be really transformational for so many people. There's no doubt that mental health and mental health planning is completely intertwined with every aspect of our life. It's intertwined with how we learn, where we live, how we spend our time, and how we achieve security in terms of relationships and income and so on. And I think that seeing mental health as separate to all those different things is really doing people a disservice, and it leads to thinking about people in boxes and by diagnosis as opposed to seeing them as social human beings within a wider environment. One of the things that's really inspired me today is hearing people really reflect and think about the environments that we're working in, and how we actually look at that from everybody's perspective. We think about mental health and well-being in the workforce, in the workplace, and how each of us lives in different spheres. And I think, you know, the fact that we're thinking and talking like that we're thinking and talking holistically about environments, culture, the way we do things and how we understand each other has been the most inspirational thing about today, and it gives me lots of hope for the future.